Welcome back to today's project. We've got a fresh load of oak firewood logs on the ground. Let's put the Kioti NX 5510 tractor and grapple to work and get them stacked up. I've got the bush hog on the back for ballast. That was easy. Only one little cherry log mixed in. I'll set that aside with the other cooking and smoking woods. Not a bad stack of logs. Keep an eye out in future videos where we'll turn these into firewood. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next project.